Greetings, family. It's Maddie, and today I am making a little makeup tutorial that was inspired as I was admiring the shape in the new shape room. I guess to begin, I just started by putting on foundation and concealer for the second time in my life. And the first thing I'm going to do is begin by drawing the shape on my face. This sort of idea just came to me as I was admiring the shape, and I was like, you know, we can admire it all we want, but until we can kind of like become the shape, you know, I feel like how can we, call ourselves, loyal and whatnot if we don't fully embody these ideas? So why not become them? So that's what I'm doing today. This is just a little purple, I don't really know what it is, but it's purple. We're starting by drawing the shape. I'm not dealing with the details too much right now. I can put in a little middle one. That looks pretty good. See, then we can kind of fill it in, like so. It's looking pretty good so far. I was not expecting it to turn out this good. Look at that. Coming down for this part. This part is my favorite. This little arm right here. Something about it just gives me like a nice sense of inner peace. Like I feel like the rest of it is of course perfect and just this geometrical beauty, but this little arm here, like a little something relatable about it. Look at that. Alright. I think we'll call that about good. Bring that out a little bit. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay. We have one on that side. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is eyeshadow, except I'm gonna take a bit of a different approach to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna start by putting on this blue shade on this eye. This does represent the blue sessions. I have not had the honor of doing any blue sessions just yet, but I really think my time is coming. It's just up to the will of the church and of Caroline as to, oh, that looks beautiful, of to when that time will come for me. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is the other eye, except we're gonna take this pinky red just right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. This is for the red session, if you haven't guessed. Also have not done that. Maybe, maybe soon. I really feel my time coming soon for when I'm gonna get these sessions, but, just gotta wait until the time is there. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do is draw the Vanderstank logo on my face. Now, I think this one's gonna be quite difficult for me to do, but we're gonna try our best. Alright, let's try this here. Oh, look at that. Vanderstank logo. It's a little bit cockeyed. Caroline, forgive me. Doing this out of my side vision. Beautiful. Got that. Got the little arm. And of course the upper part. Shape again. Just maybe touch that up. Sometimes I like to revisit my art after not looking at it for a few minutes to see if there's any changes that can be made. But honestly, the shape is just perfect. Whatever happens, it just... perfect. Alright, I think the final thing we're going to do is draw the shape on my forehead. Some people say that you can only have one shape on you at a given time, but why? You say you're part of the Vanderful program is to have the shape on your person at all times. Why not have multiple on you at all times? I feel like the more, the merrier. So I guess we'll just kind of go at it. Oh, that is not a straight line. I could not disrespect the shape like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Should I fill this one in? I feel like this one is best left empty, just as a bit of a testament to the human condition. Yeah, this completes my shape tutorial. It is definitely quite plain and basic, but you know, I feel like everyone has to start somewhere. Maybe in the coming days, Caroline will give me something else to make a makeup tutorial on, and you know, share the wisdom of the Vanderstank family with you all yet again. See you next time.